this race you mentioned. When's it happening?
Hop in, I'll tell you. Drive to this location. We have to meet Racer Girl.
Who's Racer Girl?
She's Racer Girl.
Oh, gotcha.
So, Muscle, what made you decide not to take a dive like Frank wanted you to?
Nothing. Holston went down too easy. Hell, I wouldn't be surprised if someone paid him to take a dive.
Huh. So, why stick around if Frank is out for your head? Why not just leave Vegas? Go somewhere nice, like Reno.
You don't run from a guy like Frank. Go to Bermuda, there's a cabana boy packing a submachine gun with your name on it. And besides, fuck him.
Now you're talking. F him in the A.
I'd be better if I had some of your bitches brew.
A new batch will be ready tomorrow, my sweet.
That's what I like to hear. Who's your friend?
Jason, meet Racer Girl. Racer Girl, Jason, a new driver.
Sweet. Hope you can keep up. You driving too, E?
No, just along for the ride.
Then hop in. Show's about to start.
Leave Central Station moving southeast at 75 miles per hour. 15 minutes later, a supersonic jet leaves a secret airfield 4 miles to the north, heading northwest at 2,000 miles per hour. What is the latest news of the triangle formed by their differing trajectories? You've got 5 seconds. Time is running out.
What?
Woohoo! No. Wow, how can you be so stupid? My grandpa could have gotten that. He's dead. We'll try again in the next hour. Hey, Janet. Wanna go to the dance with me? Yeah, right, loser.
Walk like a man and smell like a Viking.
Wow, a real-life Viking.
That's right, little wee man. I can smell the failure on you from across the room, but there's a solution. Longsword Body Wash. The only body wash that'll make you smell like a real Viking. Come here.
Wait, stop.
Stop squirming, you baby.
These rocks are cutting me.
They're exfoliation beads.
I'm bleeding.
That's what men do, boy. They bleed. Now, let's go see what your wench thinks of this.
Hey, Janet. Take me now, you godless beast.
Longsword Body Wash.
Okay, rockers. It's the time of day when we hit the phones and take calls from you, our loyal listeners. Let's see what sick things are happening in your minds. Hey, you're on the night. What's happening?
Yo, I just want to ask what happened to thrash metal. Everywhere, and then losers and dorks made sure it disappeared.
That's one viewpoint.
Sucky sucker.
It's more complicated. I guess at its core, it's all about trends. Thrash metal used to be a force to be reckoned with on the airwaves until a combination of oversaturation and the hunger for the next big thing forced new artists to expand their horizons.
Woohoo!
You could say that it all went the way of folk. It's all about the free market, right?
Yeah. Hey, you don't want to punish me for not understanding the free market, do you?
God damn it! I'm a DJ now. Do you hear me, worm? Say your song.
Seems like you could really handle some dangerous curves.
I can handle anything you throw at me.
Good to know. There's always other races going on in Vegas, you know. If you find yourself strapped for cash, hit one up.
Yeah, I might do that.
See you around.